I was just saying, I'm so gutted that I missed the West End production that was discontinued, but it's fantastic it's been brought to Jersey.
Well done to everyone, well done. Bar News, well down there. We've got the weather potty mouth now, so you have to keep your language nice and clean, won't you? Yeah, absolutely. Now, yesterday, lovely. So I had a little swim, it was so nice out there. Bit cloudier today, what's going on?
Yeah, very different scenes. But what we have got over us, Wilsey, is high pressure. And normally that does give us those lovely clear and blue skies, which is exactly what we had yesterday. Look at that, can trap moisture and clouds. And when we take a look at the photos that I've been sent in today, quite a differently pushing down air, which is then warming and drying out, causing something called a temperature inversion. So this is where we have a warmer layer of air over a cooler layer of air at the surface. And this cooler air is moist, it's formed a layer of cloud that's basically being trapped there by the lid of this warmer air. And that's why we have got this cloud at the surface. It's not very thick, so if you went up in an aeroplane, it wouldn't be all too long until you are up in these clearer skies. And actually, if you were somewhere more mountainous, like in the UK, for example.
You are a scientist, Lily. So what's the outlook for the rest of the week?
Well, we've still got that area of high pressure sitting over us. And what that means is the high pressure is keeping at bay these rain-bearing weather fronts. So it should be on the dry side. And we could get some bright interludes, but we could also get that cloud trapped underneath. Let's get all the details now. Here's your forecast. Well, we had a lovely start to the day this morning with some bright skies, gorgeous scenes at half-day par just as the sun's coming up. But soon the brighter skies turned a little bit cloudy today, and that really is the theme as we head throughout the week. Cloudy, but with some brighter spells here and there. And it is often going to be dry. That's due to high pressure sitting over us, with temperatures around what we'd expect for this time in October, so the mid to high teens. Back to this evening, things could be a little bit on the breezy side to start. The winds around a fresh force 5 coming from a northeasterly direction, dropping to a more moderate breeze later on. And it is going to be quite overcast and cloudy tonight, but some clear spells developing as we head through, with minimum temperatures of 12 degrees across the islands. So tomorrow, another dry day, and really the reverse in terms of cloud cover. So starting a bit cloudier, but then brightening with sunny periods in store as we head into the afternoon. We have still got that moderate northeasterly breeze tomorrow, and similar field temperature-wise with highs of 16 to 17 degrees Celsius. Let's get a check on our times of high water then around midnight, and then between around 12 and 1 p.m. with the sea temperature at 16.1 degrees. So as we move through the week, we have got this area of high pressure sitting over us. That's what's keeping the rain-bearing weather fronts at bay, so it should be mostly dry, but it could be a little bit cloudy at times. You can see that reflected on the outlook here. So a mixture of cloud with some bright spells where that cloud breaks up. We have got a moderate breeze and temperatures around average, so hovering between about 16 to 17 degrees Celsius.